we are going to check how to make a video using a text prompt with Invideo AI for a free. First, you have to sign in using a Google account. For there's no need to provide your credit card details. Once you sign in, you will see a screen like this, and here you don't need to provide your text prompt directly here. There's already text prompt helpers builder, so you can use that one. I'm gonna click YouTube explain a text prompt, and you will see a screen like this. So you can decide how long your video should be. So I'm going for a 15-second video length, and you have to give a text prompt here what you want. So what I'm going to do is here make a video about how to delete Instagram account, for you can give more relevant information. So that I'm giving use Instagram icons and screens. For language, I'm prefer English, so I'm selecting English here. For voice, I'm prefer male voice, so I selected one with a clear American voice. And I can use a stock image if I want. Here I'm using that, and generate. And you can make sure the prompt is generated properly, and if you're happy, you can generate a video. It will take a minimum of 5 minutes. So, and you can see a video has been generating, and I already have generated a video using same text prompt, and we'll see how it's worked.
Exposing the quick exit in social media, or I will never cling to unused apps. After learning this, open your Instagram app and tap your profile icon. Hit the 3 lines on the top right, go to settings, then help, and select delete your account. Follow the prompts and poof, you're off the grid.
And if you're happy with the video, you can download, and it automatically download for free. And that's it, our video, and it's coming to end. If you're happy with the video, please make sure to subscribe for my account for more useful videos. Thank you.